Hi everybody, I'm Andrea. I work for Magna Engineering and Infotainment in the Navigations department. I'm based in Munich, Germany, and I'm so proud to be part of the Rebelle Rally team 2025.
Hi, I'm Elena, and I think I cannot even believe that I'm really saying this, but I'm participating in the Rebelle Rally this year. In my normal life, I'm a talent management specialist at Magna Powertrain, and I help people grow, and that is also what I'm looking forward to in this rally, to really grow out of my comfort zone, doing something that makes me push my limits or my boundaries and really just have fun doing it.
You know, when I saw the video on the Magna intranet from previous rallies, I was just thinking, oh my gosh, that's amazing. That looks like so much fun. It's pure adventure, and that's what I was looking for.
I have followed the previous Rebelle Rally teams. I have always thought like, oh my god, these people, they are so cool. I wonder if I can do it.
I can't wait driving on sand dunes, just because this is something that we are not used to in Germany. I think this will be a great experience.
This is gonna be a challenge, and maybe also I am very afraid of spiders, so that is something that I'm hoping that we will not encounter in the desert.
I can bring with me good navigation skills, and I'm hoping for Elena to bring the driving skills to our team.
One thing I bring to the team is resilience. For example, I had to parallel park in downtown Toronto just recently, and I did not cry, and I think that's a very good achievement.
To be honest, I'm also looking really forward to see my name written on a rally car. That's a vision I'm thinking about, and it always makes me smile, so I'm really looking forward to that.
I think we will be a very good team, but still there are some things that I'm nervous about, like being in the desert for 10 days without any contact to the outside world. Like, when have you been without your phone, without internet, without connection for such a long time?
I think it started pretty early when I was a kid and I joined the Girl Scouts group. And this is where I learned using a map and a compass to navigate, and also being outdoors, going camping, taking life back to the basics.
I have actually done 2 garbage runs in the past 2 years. Those are these 1 week long, wild, chaotic and also hilarious runs where you have a junk car and drive all across Europe with also just an old school map and not the best directions.
A few years ago, I took my navigation skills to a new level because I did a sailing license.
I have always loved solving puzzles and finding my way and all of this, so I'm really looking forward to this challenge. So I think there will be so many just really unique experiences that we will have that I'm really looking forward to.
I'm proud representing all the women of Magna, and I really look forward for that challenge.
And I think it's super important that Magna shows a signal here that they're sponsoring this women-only event and opening up this space where women traditionally are not the ones you would think of when you think like driving through the desert for 2,000 miles for 10 days. So I think that really sends a very strong and positive signal.
So to all the women out there, we are not perfect, we're just trying and we will do our best and hopefully have a lot of fun, and we do that for all of you.